Welcome to viewers. This is Jahangir Alam from Tech Jahangir YouTube channel. Today I have created a new video. How can Mendeley software operating in your computer? If you new to my channel, please subscribe me, and if you have already subscribed, so thank you. Give a friend a chance to watch the video by liking and sharing. Okay viewers, let us start. How can Mendeley software operating system in your computer program? Welcome to viewers. Now we can get start. How can Mendeley software operating in your computer? First you have to need open Mendeley software. Now we have open Mendeley software. It is a Mendeley software. I have loaded 470 documents or file. It is first it is file menu. You have to add file, add folder, was folder, and add entry manually. Another option, import, export. You have to delete document. If you have any document you want to delete, first we have to select and go to delete document. So it is our file menu. It is our edit menu. It is cut, copy, paste, etc, etc. And views, that is view, a library citation. We have to see library citation only for that is our author name and year and title. There is a journal and page number, volume number, issue number, etc, etc. You have seen it is volume number. So and you view, we have to another view. It is library as table. We have to see library as table. It first author and then second title. You have to see author, that is ascending or descending. If a descending order, and again select, you have see ascending order, first A and last J. Again you have to title, it is ascending or descending. First you have title, that ascending order and descending order. Again year, first you have select year, first ascending 1937, and again you have select, it is 2020. It is descending. It is publication and edit. You have to edit last January 3 January 2021. You have another. So it is our table from view. And you have seen citation style, many citation style. You have the American Political Science Association, American Physiological Association 7 edition. You have select one. So citation style, you have to select, choose. I want to choose BU PhD thesis style, and you have to another more citation style. So another citation style, that is Nature, Vancouver, Harvard reference format, etc, etc. I have select, and you have use this and done. So it is our view style, citation view style. And again it tools, you have to first install Mendeley software. Now we can it is uninstall MS plug, but you have to write install MS plug, but first you have to install, then you show uninstall. So I cannot uninstall because I install plug with my Microsoft Word. And have option, you have to many store file, recover file, etc, etc. So I have seen first video. This is how to Mendeley install and install MS Word plugin with Microsoft Word and Mendeley desktop. So it is our file now. I have how can Mendeley how come now? So how can our PDF or a Word file include import my Mendeley software? So first we have to need, suppose you have to need if it was age and age and depth of transplanting on rice variety. Now we can first open we can search PDF file. Okay, it is a PDF file. First you have to download PDF file. Download, we have to full download. It is cannot download because it is our not access. So again we have another search. We have search, we have effect of cotton variety. I have choose PDF file search. So I have to fill research. That is effect of planting pattern. It is my PDF file. So I have to input this file in my Mendeley desktop. Now we can write file menu and file and add file, that is PDF file, and it my where is my PDF file load. I search this. It is our field crop. It is a planting effect. You have to one select. So it is imported. So it is effect of planting pattern on growth, yield and economic benefit of cotton in wheat cotton double cropping system versus molecular cotton. We have checked this journal article. It is titled is right. You have to see that is author, that is Feng Lu, that is Feng, Lu, and Wang Goping. You can to check this file, and it is journal, that is Field Crop Research 2017, and volume number 213, issue that is first issue, and page number 100 to 108. It is for no issue, still no issue, so we can omit this. So it is our it is another file you have to load it. It is and you have select another two except and more file select, and this is open. So these two files are imported. We have to check this. It is title. It is our author Chai. We can check this Chai Beji and Field Crop Science 2019, and volume number 243, issue number June. I have not write issue, page number 172, maybe 172, 60, 161 page number. It is page number selection, right page number. It is not clear. It may be 107 to 117. It may be 117. It is 11. So it is our style, and we have checked another. We have another file, yield and economic benefits, late planted short season, author Lu Hequin, etc. Okay, Field Crop Research 2017, volume number 200, no issue, page number 80 to 87. It is our PDF file. How can load our PDF file? But we have some some author but some research cannot access. So how can install this title or author in our Mendeley software? So first you have to open Mendeley and write, okay, you have to write add manually, add manually. So first title, effect of age of seedling, etc, etc. Now we can write author Alam Jahangir, another Abdul Wahab, another Rashid Harun, etc, etc. Now after journal, agronomy journal, write agronomy journal, year 2021, volume number 5, issue number 2, page number 202 209. And we can save this. So it is our another second option to edit citation or journal properties in our input manually by manually. You can check this. Write, you have to write only seedling. So you have to write effect of age of seedling and depth of transplanting on Tiamon rice. So it is our full title. Okay, and now how can operate our, how can use Mendeley reference or title in my our Word document. Now we can first open new Microsoft Word. We have to open. Now we can write that means first author. We can go to reference option and go to citation, and next go to Mendeley. Because of first author, I have select this and go to cite. So Alam et al. 2002 reported rice group was cultivation. So cultivation in SRI SRI technique is very suitable, etc, etc. And now we can write reference, and first we have to insert bibliography. So Alam J Abdul W Rashid 2008, effect of age of seedling. It is our title, it is our journal name, and page number, volume number, issue number, and then page number is auto write. Now again another citation. It is your, that means we have to edit new edit, that is mean Liu, and go to site, and Lu et al. It is reported or found that etc, etc, etc. So but we have to see Lu age, the age, and the title 2017, title yield and economic benefit of late planted short season cotton variety versus full season cotton field crop research, volume number 200 and page number only 80 to 87. And now another citation. We have to go Mendeley, and now chai we have to write a chai, but or first you have to select only citation and manually and reference auto to be created. So it is easy and 100% accuracy for citation and reference correction. You have to delete this if you want to delete this option, delete, but no delete. You have to refresh again the citation is auto create. You have to delete here, delete and refresh, it is auto delete. So no found because it is delete. Now we can again and it is alphabetically and year wise. It is A, C and L. But you have to copy this, copy or cut this, and you have to go another new document. You have to another new document. So you have to paste, that is paste and bibliography is auto create. So it is our Mendeley software is very essential to write our citation and our references. I hope it will be helpful for you, and you have to change that is I have to select a BU style, this style, but you have to change another Vancouver, that is it is nature is about to auto change. You have to see American political science, it is American political science. You have to change another, that is modern language association 18, it is another style. You have to choose psychomanual 17 style, it is another style. Many style, with EIE style, it is numbering 1 to etc. And another more style here, American social style, etc. So I have choose a BU style because I have to study my Bangladesh Agriculture University, so I have choose this style. So thank you for watching. I hope it will be helpful for you. Thank you.